people say that modern station design is very boring, and here's Rob Royston, one of my local stations in Glasgow. And stations, like many things in life, come in all shapes and sizes. So I'm going to show you some pictures of this station at Tours in the Loire Valley of France. And I came down here just after a train had left, expecting the waiting shelter to be empty, but 3 people in it who missed the train and are waiting there for the next one in an hour's time. So my plan was thwarted, as we say. So if you think this film is going to be about Rob Royston Station, tough. But watch it and enjoy some pictures of a really old station in France. The city of Tours in the Loire Valley in the centre of France has a really grand station which is well worth spending time exploring. Let's have a look at the front of Tours station, which is a really grand building. I really like it, and there are some gardens opposite. There you are, there's my bicycle leaning against the seat. Tours station was built in 1896 to 98 in order to combine earlier small stations. Stone pillars at the front celebrate cities served from the station. It became a listed historical monument in 1984, and much internal renovation was carried out between 2006 and 2013. Here are some of the original 18 ceramic paintings by Eugene Martial, described by SNCF as invitations to travel. They were restored as part of the 21st century station improvements. They remind me, of course, of the posters produced by the LMS, the LNER, the Great Western and the Southern, enticing people to go to the seaside for their holidays. The station is served by a variety of regional trains, TER, also TGV and local haul trains to and from Paris Austerlitz. Let's have a look at some of the trains. Regional train leaving for Orléans, one at the other platform for Nevers, and there's a TGV coming in a few minutes. This is a really beautiful station. Here's an arrival from Paris Austerlitz, which surprised me by stopping a wee bit short of the buffers. I should have realised what the little red sign meant. Stop here, arrête ici. Quite a few people coming. It's a regional train, not a TGV, so it's a bit cheaper. And on the other platform, a regional train for the Loire Valley. Lovely little trains. The TER going to Paris Austerlitz, and there's the view the other way, showing the train. It leaves at about 11:14, I think. Yes, that lady is just getting some fresh air before she boards the train to Paris, and she asked me if she was in the way of my photo. The answer is no. Here we are at Tours. There's a little local haul train over there as well.
Le train TER à destination de Paris Austerlitz va partir. Prenez garde à la fermeture automatique des portes. Attention au départ.
That means the train's about to depart. Take care of the automatic doors before it goes. And here comes... No, he's having a look. I wonder what he's doing. He's looking at me, wondering what I'm doing, maybe. Well, that was a good long blow. The doors have shut apart from that one. Oh, a hand signal. The driver's had another look. And off we go. The driver's just had another look. Okay, au revoir, bonjour, as they say. Nice long train. And it was hiding a TGV. Well, that's a surprise. I didn't know that was there. This is an example of how SNCF are very keen to promote the environmental benefits of travel by rail. Now back to the concourse for some music.